Wake up. To stop sleeping. I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. Turn on. To start a machine or light. Turn on the light, please. Turn off. To stop a machine or light. Turn off the TV, please. Sit down. To take a sit. Please sit down and relax. Stand up. To rise to your feet. The students stand up in the class. Put on. To wear something. I put on my jacket because it's cold. Pick up. To lift or collect something. Can you pick up the trash? Write down. To record something on paper. Write down your name here. Find out. To discover something. I need to find out the answer. Work out. To solve or exercise. I work out every morning. Clean up. To tidy up a place. We cleaned up the kitchen. Cheer up. To become happier. Let's cheer up the team after the loss. Get on. To board a bus, train or plane. I got on the bus at 8 o'clock. Get off. To leave a bus, train or plane. He got off the bus at the next stop. Look for. To search for something. I am looking for my keys. Eat up. To finish eating. Eat up your food before it gets cold. Go on. To continue. Please go on with your work. Hand in. To submit. Remember to hand in your homework. Make up. To resolve a disagreement. They made up after the argument. Look after. Take care of someone or something. I look after my younger brother. Hold on. To wait. Hold on, I'll be right there. Speak up. To talk louder. Speak up if you have any questions. Set up. To arrange or prepare. I will set up the tent. Call off. To cancel something. They called off the meeting. Point out. To indicate or show. She pointed out my mistake. Figure out. To solve or understand. I need to figure out this puzzle. Look up. To search for information. I'll look up the word in the dictionary. Get along. To have a good relationship. They get along very well. Fill out. To complete by writing. Please fill out this form. Let in. To allow to enter. Can you let in the dog please? Pass out. To faint. He passed out from the heat. Calm down. To become less agitated. Please calm down and relax. Call out. To shout or yell. He called out his name loudly. Cut down. To reduce. You should cut down on sugar. Do up. To fasten or tie. Can you do up my shoelaces? Put away. To store or place in the correct location. Put away your toys before dinner. Run into. To meet unexpectedly. I ran into an old friend yesterday. Eat out. To dine outside of home. Let's eat out tonight. Grow up. To mature or become an adult. Kids grow up so fast these days. Get over. To recover from something. She got over the flu quickly. Cut off. To interrupt or disconnect. The power was cut off during the storm. Pay back. To return. I'll pay back the money next week. Talk about. To discuss something. Let's talk about your future plans. Drop off. To deliver. I'll drop off the package at the office. Give up. To stop trying. Don't give up on your goals. Fall over. To trip or collapse. He fell over the toy on the floor.